Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you step by step how to correctly check in online with Pegasus Airlines in 2025. Doing online check-in saves time at the airport and makes your travel much easier. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to fly flypgs.com or download the official Pegasus Airlines mobile apps. Both the website and apps have the same check-in process, so you can use whichever is more convenient for you. On the homepage, click on Check-in, Manage Booking, then click Continue, and this will open you flight details, include passengers information and departure time. Next, select the passengers you want to check in. Pegasus usually assign a seat automatically, but you can also choose your own seat. And keep in mind, standard seat selection may have an extra cost, while random seat assignments in usual free. Now confirm your passport and ID details it requires, especially for international flights. Double check everything: your name, documents name, number, and expiration date must match your documents exactly to avoid issue at the airport. Once you confirm, Pegasus will generate your boarding pass. You have three options: download as PDF and print it, send it to your email, or if you are using the app, save it to your phone wallet or keep it in the Pegasus apps. Make sure you have your boarding pass ready when you got the airport, either printed or digital. And that's it. That's how you correctly check in online with Pegasus Airlines in 2025. Remember, online check-in usually opens 48 hours before your flight and closes a few hours before departure, so don't leave it to the last minute. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels, and thanks for watching.